So this is the actual meaning of this verse. It's not been, even there's a whole line added in English to that verse, which is nowhere in the Bengali. A whole line was just added by some translator, I don't know whom, but it's in some BBD books. It says, it is not, and it says right there in the verse, it's not in the verse at all. There's no word, or no one will ever translate like that, nor is it that word or concept in the Nectar Devotion. But it says, Krishna, I think it says in BBT, it says, Krishna Prema is eternally situated inside the heart of the jiva. It is not to be gained from any outside source.
Something like
that line has just been interjected by whoever translated that. It's simply by hearing and chanting it, automatically Uday arises. But the word Uday means manifest, appears. Just like we say the sun rises, the sun's not actually rising. We say Maya Chandra Uday, or because that's in Hindi. Uday means rising. It says in the Panchang, it says Uday and Ast. We say in English sunrise and sunset. Uday and Ast. So you look at a Hindi calendar. What time? Surya Uday, it says in Hindi. 5:55 or whatever, 5:45. So it's rising. We think it's rising, but it's actually appearing. The sun is not dead, or it hasn't sunk. The earth is rotating this way around the sun, and the sun is there 24/7. And we're just moving 25,000 miles an hour or something. The earth is so fast, small planet moving very fast. So every 12 hours or 24 hours, we see what we call sunrise. And 12 hours later, sunset, roughly 10, 12, whatever, around in India. So we say, Uday. It's not, it's appearing. So that's why in Sanskrit the word Uday means appears, arises. So if you just tweak the translation slightly one way, just one verb, you tweak it one way or the other way, you get a completely different conception. Well, rising means it's like I'm sleeping in my bed and I rise from my bed. So I'm fully existing in my bed. Then I stand up. Now I'm standing and not lying. So the son of Prema is just lying in my heart. And one day he just stands up and says, "Hi, here I am." I'm sorry, this is not the teaching of the 6 Goswamis, and not the teaching of the 8 Goswamis. Lokanath Goswami or Krishnadas Kaviraj were the 7th and 8th Goswami, and not the teachings of Narottam. So we should understand clearly what is the Tattva Siddhanta.